What's up everybody? Are you ready for today's video? I am pumped because this is gonna be my first video that's a part 2, that's a follow-up to a pre-existing video that I have already made that you guys actually really loved. So if you remember this video above, the video about what do I say, and I gave you guys a few different ideas on how you can make your product review videos, what kind of topics or like what kind of categories they could be about, and I just gave you guys some really helpful tips on how you could format your videos and what you can say. Well, this is gonna be a follow-up. This is gonna be a part 2, and I'm coming in hot with some other ideas and some other video tips that you could incorporate into your product review videos to help make your content a little bit more diversified, to make your content a little different, and hopefully you can stick on product pages. So guys, I don't want to waste your time. I want to get right into it. And the very first idea I have for you guys is a product in action video. Now, yes, this is basic. A lot of you guys probably already do this, but this is not something I mentioned in my first video. So a product in action video would be, you actually using the product, making something with the product, and these videos do extremely well. Making something with the product is actually a fantastic video idea because Amazon really likes those kinds of things. So one idea I have is if you want to review a rice cooker, for instance, cook some rice, make a recipe, show that on your Amazon review. Maybe you make some fried rice or show the rice being cooked, show the step-by-step process, and actually use the product in your video. This is a great idea because, if you're purchasing the product, you're probably already going to be using it for something. So just set up your phone, set up your camera, and record yourself doing so. You don't have to just always review the product, review the specs. Sometimes actually making something with the product is a great idea. Another instance could be some markers or craft supplies. Buy the craft supplies and showcase, what you're making with the craft supplies. Are you making a poster? Are you making a greeting card? Are you making, luggage tags or canvas art? Whatever the case is, show that. Show yourself using the product and show yourself making something. Product in action videos are a great way to review a product and a great way for Amazon to promote you. Now guys, the second idea that I have for you guys is a comparison video. Now, yes, I did say comparison videos last time, but this time, this is gonna be a 3-product comparison video. Showcase 3 different products. Right here, I have 3 different smartwatches. This is a really great way to show 3 competing products because more than likely, if there's multiple products or multiple brands of the same product, people are going to be wondering which one should they get. So right here I have an Apple Watch, a Galaxy Watch, and a Garmin. You can also add a Fitbit. There's multiple products and brands you can use, and so showcasing 3 different products, so Garmin versus Apple Watch versus Galaxy Watch, is a great idea for product review videos because, like I said, people are going to have these same questions. People are going to be wondering which one's better, which one fits me, which one should I get, and which one am I gonna love? So doing a comparison video with 3 products versus your standard 2 products is a great idea. There are tons of products that you could do this with. There's kitchen supplies, whether it's utensils, knives, pots and pans, or appliances. Maybe it's fans or heaters, electronics, anything that you can think of. Using 3 different products to review and compare them against is a great idea to review for Amazon. Doing the 3 comparison videos also gives you just another video to use the same product for. Maybe you reviewed, the Garmin watch by itself. Well, then you can turn around and make another video with the Garmin watch and the Apple Watch and the Galaxy Watch. So it's giving you more ideas, more content, and more videos to make, basically using the same products that you already have. So the third idea I have for you guys is a closer look video. Now, what I have to say on a closer look video is to just go more in depth into the product and give them some information and show them some B-roll or some footage of some different things of the product that the typical review videos are not talking about. For example, I have here this precision screwdriver set, right? I could talk about the casing, I could talk about the charging, I could talk about the screwdriver. But if I'm doing a closer look video, I'm gonna zoom in on the product and I'm gonna talk about each and every different screwdriver heads I have here. Showcase some different things, showcase some deeper in-depth perspective of the product, like I said, that none of the other videos are really showing. Sometimes somebody, for instance, may be purchasing this for a specific screwdriver head. Well, this closer look video will zoom in on this and show the person or the potential buyer all the different pieces, all the different drill bit and screw heads, so that the person knows, does this have what I need? And some of the other product review videos just don't show it. Maybe it's just an overlook of the product. Maybe it's just an unboxing. And so the viewer or the potential buyer doesn't have a real close-up look of the product. Maybe show what type of batteries are in this thing. How do you open up the battery? How do you charge it? Give them just some more information and some information that other people are not talking about. That is key for the closer look videos, because when you say closer look in your video title, it's gonna stand out amongst all the other product reviews. And so if there's information that the viewer or the potential buyer is looking for that none of the other videos are showing, they might be headed to your closer look video because they think you might have the answer. And guess what? You definitely will. Because if you look at all the other videos and you make sure to incorporate things that the others are not, then your video will definitely stand out. Your video will definitely get the sale, and the closer look video is just that good for Amazon. Now, the fourth video idea I have for you guys is a haul. Now, a haul is generally, attached to clothes, like a clothing haul. Showcase your swimsuits, your loungewear, your pajamas, your going out, your dresses, your gowns, all of this stuff, right? A try-on haul or a clothing haul is a really great idea. But I want to bring attention to the fact that there's so many other hauls you can do, and hauls are great to review for Amazon because it lets you showcase a ton of products, tag a bunch of different products, and then you can go off and make individual videos of each of those products. Hauls are also really good for the Amazon Inspire program, so you can do a vertical video and quickly go through all the stuff that you just purchased. And hauls, like I said, could be used for anything. You can do a back to school haul, a gaming haul, a kitchen haul. You could do a holiday haul. You could do hauls over so many things. You can do hauls over everything, even though it's not clothing. And hauls could be a great way to attract people, or maybe even upsell them and show them other products that they could buy, because hauls are normally things that are related or similar categories. So if you're doing a back to school haul and somebody's purchasing back to school items and they realize you have stuff that they don't have, they may go off and buy those other products because of you as well. So hauls are great. You can do it vertically, you could do it horizontally, but vertically I think works best just because Inspire program uses vertical videos, and hauls are perfect for the Amazon Inspire program. Now, the fifth video idea I have for you guys is an upgrade video. Now, this video is super good. It's a great idea. I love it, but it's a little bit more specific, and it takes specific products to really do an upgrade video. So my idea for an upgrade video, or what I mean by an upgrade video, is products that, have a new model every year, or, every few years they come up with a bigger and better version of the previous one. So my example to you would be like JBL speakers. I have here the Flip 5, but there's also a Flip 6. So if I had the Flip 6, I would showcase the fact that, you need to upgrade if you have a JBL Flip 5. The JBL Flip 6 is an amazing product. It's better from the previous version because of this, this, and this, and start listing out those types of things. Upgrade videos are great because some people don't even realize that there's a new version available of the product. Some people, keep up with that stuff, but others don't. So if you showcase that, and if you let people know that there's a new version, if you try to upsell them, persuade them to upgrade because the new version has, this feature over what the previous version had, then there's more of a chance that somebody is gonna get that newer product because of your video. Upgrade videos are great, but like I said, they're more specific and they take specific type of products. It almost seems like a comparison video, but I like to call it an upgrade video because that's how you can title the video. That's what you can preach in the video, and you can show, the old version versus the new version, and really try to push people to get the newer version, because the newer version is probably gonna cost more, the newer version is probably gonna be more in stock, and the newer version is just a better product all around. So these upgrade videos are really good for that, really helpful, and it could be a great idea for you if you're looking for new content to make and to diversify your video reviews. Now, the last tip I have is gonna be more of a bonus for you guys. This type of video is, you know, something that I just want to bring up now as we approach the holiday season, as some of these bigger popular holidays come around, and that's holiday videos. Now, you know, coming up on the end of the year, we have Halloween, Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, all of these big time holidays approaching. And so if you can make a theme to your video, if you can do a Halloween themed review video, if you add some spider webs, add some concepts to your product review video or your thumbnail that just showcase how these videos are Halloween related, or these products are Halloween related, or, you know, if you can do that, those videos will stand out. Yes, those videos are only probably going to be popular during those holidays, but this is going to be a great way to peak your commission during these months by making your videos just stand out a little bit more. I think holiday videos are going to do so well because holiday season is known for being, you know, a time where people are purchasing more, a time when people want to decorate their home and buy all these extra things that normally they wouldn't be buying in the beginning of the year. So making sure that you make your videos fun, maybe you spice it up, maybe you wear a Christmas hat in your Christmas videos, and maybe you wear a costume in your Halloween videos. Whatever the case is, really focusing on holiday themed reviews, holiday themed products, and holiday themed just things in general. I think that really is going to help your video chances. So I would highly recommend starting on that pretty soon because the year is flying by, and before you know it, we're already going to be in September, we're already going to be in October, and so pushing out these holiday videos earlier are really going to help your chances in, you know, Amazon promoting you and Amazon pushing out your content. So guys, I really hope these types of video ideas could help you out. I hope it helps you, you know, come up with some different things to say, because as we make so many product review videos, they tend to get tiring, they tend to get tedious and repetitive, and we just want to diversify. We want to make them better. We want to make our videos last longer on product pages and stay there. So by incorporating these different types of videos, I really think it's gonna make your product reviews stick out from the rest and last longer on product pages. So I hope this video was sort of informative. I hope you enjoyed this part 2 because I was super excited to make a part 2. I have never before made a part 2 to any of my videos, but I think there's gonna be more coming because a lot of my videos you guys have found helpful, and I think I can provide an update or some new information regarding those videos. So guys, if this video was informative, if you liked any of the ideas that I gave you, please leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. I want to continue providing you guys with the most up-to-date and informative content that I possibly can. So I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for your support, and I hope you guys are doing well in the program. So guys, I won't waste any more of your time. Have a great rest of your day. Take care and enjoy this video. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.